myself from MS School, your math teacher. In previous video, we have learned about the word problems, right? I hope that all you have clear with that word problems. And already we have discussed in online session about that word problem. Today we are going to start with one exercise. Now you can see on the board this question. Details of the length of stadium track and rounds to run for completing a 40-kilometer marathon race are given below, filling the empty space in this given table. Now you can see this table. Observe this table. In first column it is given, the information is about the length of the stadium track, which is in meter, but our question is, in our question this distance is given in kilometer. So first we need to convert this kilometer in meter, right? And second column you can see here, rounds to run, means rounds to run is given, but you can see this sides some of are missing, right? That we have to fill by using the method. Now first we are applying the formula of meter and kilometer. Why? Because in question it is given in kilometer and this all the numbers are given in meter. So first we need to convert this kilometer to meter. So we are applying 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meter. We are applying this formula here, right? That means we are converting this 40 kilometer into meter. So 40 kilometer is equals to 40 multiplied 1000 meter. So we got our final answer 40,000 meter. That means we are converting this kilometer into meter. That means we are converting this big unit. Kilometer is big unit, right? From meter and kilometer. So we are converting this big unit into small unit. So we have to do multiplication here. Multiplication with 1000. So 40 multiplied 1000 is equals to 40,000 meter. Now this 40,000 meter is our area of stadium, right? Suppose ये सारा area है 40,000 meter का. So now we have to go through this 40,000 meter with this all the digits. Why? Because empty space we have to find. So first number 4,000 is given and 10 is given. That means this is completed first number. But from second number onwards we need to find missing place. Suppose second number 5,000 is given. So we are taking this 40,000. Why? Because already we have found this 40,000 meter here. So we are converting this 40,000. So we are converting this 40 into 40,000 and we are dividing this 40,000 with this 5,000. Why? Because 5,000 is in meter and we have already taken 40,000 here and we need to find this empty space of this rounds to run. So backside this 3 zeros you can cut. Why? Because this 40,000 is in place of numerator and this 5,000 is the place of denominator, right? So we can cut directly this 0 from backside. अगर यहाँ पे कोई दूसरा digit होता तो हम cut नहीं कर सकते. But it is given 0, so we can cut directly from backside. So 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros are given. So we can cut this 3 zeros from backside directly, right? So now we are having 40 and 5. Yes or no? Yes. 40 and 5 we are having. 40 is in place of numerator and 5 is in place of denominator. So we can divide this 40 with this 5. So आप लोगों को पता ही है 5 का टेबल, right? So 5 8s are 40. So now we are having answer 8. That means we can write this answer in this empty space 8. That means we can say that rounds to run we are having now 8, where in front of this 5,000. What we have done here? Firstly we have taken here 40,000. Why 40,000? Because this 40 kilometer which is our stadium track area, right? So we need to do multiplication, we need to do this method with this 40,000 only. We can't take this 40 kilometer. We have to take compulsory this 40 40,000 meter. So we have directly cutted this 40,000 with this 5,000. So we have written this 5,000 downside in the place of denominator, and 40,000 we have taken in the place of numerator because we need to find this rounds to run. So from back side we have cutted this 30, and now we are having remaining this 40 in place of numerator and 5 in place of denominator. So 5 8s are in the table of 5. This 40 is coming, right? So 5 8s are 40. So this 5 and 40 cut it, and this 8 is remaining as our answer. So we can say that rounds to run we are having 8. Suppose we have found this second number answer 8. आप लोग ऐसा सोचते होंगे कि 8 आंसर कैसे आ रहा? We are having two information. हमारे पास दो information है. कौन सी दो information? Length of the stadium track. That means आप लोगों ने स्पोर्ट्स का स्टेडियम तो देखा ही होगा. आप लोग रेस करते हो ना, रनिंग रेस करते हो ना, सेम चीज है हमारे पास. हमारे पास एरिया है सपोज 5000 मीटर. दैट मीन्स आपको 5000 मीटर एरिया कवर करना है दौड़ के, और आप कितने राउंड्स लगा रहे हो उसके? 8 राउंड्स लगा रहे हो, राइट? दैट मीन्स हमारे पास दो चीजें हैं, उसमें से एक मिसिंग है जो हमें फाइंड करनी है. नाउ वी आर ऑन थर्ड नंबर. ओके, चेक दिस थर्ड नंबर. We don't have this area, right? But we are having this rounds to run. हमारे पास run है, but हमारे पास ये area नहीं है जो हमें find करना है. So we are dividing this 40,000. Why we are taking this 40,000 again and again? Because it is clear that 40 kilometer is given. That already we have converted this kilometer into 40,000 meter. तो हमारे पास stadium का 40,000 meter है area, total area. So we are taking every time this 40,000 meter, and we are dividing this 40,000 with this 5, which is our rounds to run. So we are dividing this 40,000 with 5. Now there is no any zero backside here, right? So we are dividing. You have to remember the table of 5. What is the table of 5? 5 8s are 40, right? 5 8s are 40. So we have cutted this 5 and we can put here 8. So now we are having 8 and backside these 3 zeros. So we can write here 8,000. This 8,000 is our area. 8,000 meter, right? So you have to mention here backside meter. In second number, this 8 is our rounds to run. There is no any unit, right? So 8 only we are writing. Now let's do this number 4, right? In number 4, this area of this stadium track is given, right? But we don't have this measurement of this rounds to run. So we have to find this rounds to run. Now we are taking this 2,000. But every time we are mentioning this 40,000 in the place of numerator, because this 40,000 is our common area of our stadium. Now 40,000 we are dividing with this 2,000, right? Again that same method. These zeros from backside we are cutting, because same method, because this 40,000 is in place of numerator and 2,000 is in place of denominator. So we can cut this zero from backside, right? So now we are having 40 divided 2, right? 2s are 4 and this 0 backside. We can write this 20 here. That means what is our answer? 20. तो हम ऐसा बोल सकते हैं कि 2000 मीटर के एरिया में, 2000 मीटर के ट्रैक पे 20 जितने रन, मतलब 20 जितने राउंड आपको करने पड़ेंगे. Understood? We are on number 5. Look at this 5 number. This space is empty. That means we need to find this area of stadium track, and we are having this rounds to run, which is 4, right? So in 5 number, again we are taking this 40,000 and we are dividing this 40,000 with this 4, because this 4 is given in front of this 5 number, right? So we are taking here 4. We have to divide this 40,000 with this 4. So डायरेक्ट अगर आपको आता है तो आप कर सकते हो, लेकिन आपको 4 का टेबल याद करना पड़ेगा. कैसे? 4 10s are 40, राइट? अगर हम ये 40 की बात करें, सिर्फ ये 40 की बात करें, तो आपको याद करना पड़ेगा कि 4 10s are 40. That means you have to cut this 4 and 40. That means you got this 10 and backside 3 zeros. So your answer is 10,000 meter. Correct? That means our answer is 10,000 here. Now number 6. In number 6, 1000 is given and this space is empty. That means we need to find rounds to run. So we are taking this 1000 in the place of denominator. So we are taking this 40,000 upstairs and downside we are writing 1000. Why? Because 1000 is our length of the stadium track, right? So this you can directly cut. Why? Because 1000, right? Backside 3 zeros, 1, 2 and 3. So cut this 3 zeros from backside, 1, 2 and 3. Here 1 is given only. That means you can write like this way, 40 divided by 1. And our answer is 40 only. So we are writing here 40. Now number 7. In number 7, same thing. This place is empty. That means this length of stadium track we need to find. And in front of that 2 is given. So firstly we are writing 7 number and we are taking the same area 40,000. We are taking this 40,000 and at the downside we are dividing this 40,000 with this 2. Again table of 2. 2 2s are 4. And backside, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3 and 4. That means we are having backside 4 0. Backside of 2, we are having 4 0. That means we can say that 20,000 meter. क्या फाइंड किया हमने? लेंथ ऑफ द स्टेडियम ट्रैक और उसका मेजरमेंट आया 20,000 मीटर.